Oh my god, this place is beautiful. Look at that. Look at those rolling hills. Damn. Woo! Oh, what a beauty. What is up, YouTube? My name is Vinny and welcome to Road Blast Media. Today we're going to be taking the Continental GT out again, and as you can see there, I'm at 480k. So today I'm just going to be racking up the final 20 before I take it in for its 500k service, which is booked tomorrow. So yeah, we're just going to go for a little bit of a cruise out and bowl through some streets and some roads and suss it out. Should be a bit of fun. So good news, the Tech 2-in-1 Stinger exhaust has arrived for my GT, and so has our DNA air filters. So that's really cool. I'm really looking forward to that, and I've decided I'm gonna be doing it at 1000 Ks. I'll be installing that. So yeah, it's going to be really cool. I cannot wait to put them on. I'm sort of champing at the bit. I've been wishing that I can that I've been able to get on the bike more, but the weather's only just recently sort of fined up. So yeah, no, I'm really looking forward to that. But since we got the DNA filters now, the Interceptor doesn't have aftermarket air filter installed yet, and it only arrived today. So we will be installing that DNA air filter tomorrow and be putting out a video for you guys, just giving sort of the rundown of how it behaves and how much of a difference it makes to the bike, as well as how it goes with the Lextech slip-on exhaust that we have, which will be really cool. It'll be a lot of fun. I'm really excited to see how much it changes the behavior of the motorcycle and how well it delivers torque and things like that. So yeah, that's some good news to be looking forward to. I'm gonna try my best, my absolute best, to get this thing racked up to 1000 like in no time. Hopefully it won't take me too long, as the weather keeps holding out like it is. I mean, it's about 6:30 p.m. and it's an absolutely beautiful day. You know, you got the ice cream truck out, even crack up. But yeah, this road is this is called Shane Road. It's a residential place. When I was a younger kid, this place was actually really barren. There wasn't many houses around or anything like that, but all of this stuff has kind of gone up, and yeah, it's a nice neighborhood. It's a nice neighborhood down here. No problems. But yeah, how you guys been anyway? I see the subscriber count is still going up. We're on our way to 500, so yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and thank you to all my subscribers so far. You've done the smart move and subscribed early, so you'll be ready for all the great content that will be coming out later on down the track. And yeah, and also to kind of add to what I was going on about on yesterday's video, the Royal Enfield group ride around Central North Island and Taupo, that's definitely still going to be on. I'm just working out logistics and dates and things like that, and hopefully we can get a bunch of riders out there. Remember, even if you don't have a Royal Enfield, it would be awesome for you to come along. I'll probably have somebody on our VTR 250 as well, coming along to help film and all that. One of my mates, he can jump on that, or maybe my girlfriend if she's confident enough at riding at the time. But yeah, so yeah, that's out there. That's going to be really cool. The Road Blast Media squad ride through Central North Island, and we'll hopefully get a lot of Enfields out there, and just make it a wicked couple of days. And it'd be awesome to get to know some of the subscribers a bit better and actually meet you guys in person, because I've had a few good yarns to a lot of you, and you guys are awesome. So I really want to meet you in person, which will be really cool. So yeah, we are just cruising and racking up the Ks. I was thinking I'm gonna hit it up RP, but I might see if I can go up one of those like side roads or something and see where they lead. I think there's this one called Mountain Road or something, and it leads somewhere pretty cool. And my gear changes are a little bit sketchy today. I got on my Timberland boots, and they are very, like, they've only been worn a couple times, so they're basically brand new still. And yeah, they need a bit of wearing in. They're not so flexible, so my gear changes are a little bit rough, but that's alright, that's alright. We're still out here racking up the Ks, doing what we do best on Road Blast Media, and just cruising. So yeah, if you're new to the channel and you've watched this far into the video, congratulations. But yeah, what kind of bike do you ride? Do you have an Enfield, or if not, what do you ride? You know, let me know. What color? Is it fun? Is it awesome? Do you wish you had an Enfield? Are you here because you're maybe wanting to buy one? If you are, do it! Alright, don't wait. These things are great. They're great fun. At the moment I'm taming this thing out, keeping it under 4,000 as I'm running it in. But my old man's one, that's had enough Ks now where the engine's a bit more broken in and stuff, and you can give it a bit of a thrashing. So if you're new to the channel, check out those videos, because it's a lot of fun on the Interceptor, I have to say. It's a glorious ride, that one. And yeah, it makes for a great time with those Lextech pipes on there, and will soon be absolutely relentless with that DNA air filter, which will be bloody cool. So yeah, we are just cruising, doing our thing. I've been kind of weighing up a few ideas for some videos. I'm definitely going to be doing the review of this soon. I feel like I've kind of got enough Ks on the saddle to give a good rundown of how this bike is. And also I know the behavioural characteristics of the engine after it's been running, as we have another one that is running, Interceptor. So I'll be able to give a very in-depth rundown of this bike and give a proper review, which should make for quite a good video. I'm also going to be doing a Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 versus the Continental GT, to kind of point out the biggest differences, and because essentially they're the same. There's just, like, you know, the odd difference in the riding position and other little small details that some people might notice, and it might be handy to watch a video like that if you can't make up your mind into what bike suits you the most. Because in the end of the day, it's great that Royal Enfield have the two different 650 models. It means that they can kind of cater to a lot of different people, and that's why me old man got the Interceptor and I got the Continental. I have to say they're both great bikes though, both awesome bikes. So yeah, I've never been up this road before, so I'm just going to check it out, see where it goes. I think it might be a dead end, but yeah. No, I would love to know what you guys have been up to though, how you've been spending your time, if your country's locked down or if your town is locked down or anything like that through these COVID times. It's not ideal. It's not ideal, but we're pretty lucky in Tauranga here to not have too many restrictions going on at the moment, so we can still get out and have a lot of fun. Oh my god, this place is beautiful. Look at that. Look at those rolling hills. Damn. Woo. Oh, what a beauty. Yeah, man, I love how talky this bike is, eh? It's just like, the sound too. The sound, I think that's got to be like one of the best things about these things, is just the sound. I mean, even with these big fat restrictive exhausts on it, it still sounds so cool. And I really love the whine of the engine, or the gearbox, I think it is, that like really distinctive Royal Enfield whine. Like it just it's one of those things that really have a good place in my heart. I'm gonna go up here. Oh my lord. Okay, look at that view. Oh damn, that's fucking beautiful. Shit. Ooh. Let's see if there might be a better lookout point somewhere up here. Oh my lord, I've literally never been on this road before, and it's not even that far from my house. Look at that. Wow. Okay, this has got to be like unusually gorgeous. Holy heck. I've got to stand up for that one. Oh, what a beautiful road. I'm just taking it easy, just trying to take it in. That's what these bikes are best for too, man. Like, you can just really take it in. gonna be famous. Dude on a scootang. Okay. Alright, okay. Okay. This one looks like a bit of a dead end, eh? Yeah, valley closed. What is that? Oh, is this someone's pad? Damn, what a nice property. Looks like they got like a little church on their property. What a cracker. That's an interesting addition. Alright, so that was a dead end. Oh well, let's keep exploring. 10 kilometers down. 10 to go. Let's go. Oh lordy. See, I know a lot of countries are beautiful. I've been to like South Africa, you know, a few other places, but this, like, it's kind of cool just because like I like, this is seriously, it's like 10 minutes from my house and I've never been to this road, and it's one of the most gorgeous spots I've ever seen. Like, just the road kind of cascading through these like really open sort of green fields, and see all the animals and stuff. How cool is that, man? Better drop the old sunshades. Oh, okay. Travel it back, travel it back. But yeah, give it a bit of a view. Cheer, brothers. Alrighty. So yeah, if you guys got any ideas for videos and stuff other than the ones I've already suggested, let me know. You want to see me go somewhere specific in New Zealand, because I'm gonna be getting out and traveling more. So even if you're not from here, if you've heard of a place, as long as it's, let's say, in the North Island, I'm gonna try and make my way out there. So you, the people, the subscribers, you have a bit of a choice in what I do for my videos, and you can contribute, and I will listen. I'm not like one of those YouTubers that's not gonna respond to what you guys have to say. So, you know, I've got it down pat. You guys have some good ideas, make sure to share them with me, and let me know what you want to see, because I'm cruising. I'm open to anything, or just comment and have a yarn, to be honest, because I'm always down for a yarn. Always perks me up a bit when I see some of your guys' lovely comments. I kind of want to see what's down here. We'll go have a gander, eh? We'll go have a gander. Eh? What the heck? Private property. Okay. 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 Why would be hot pools and cafe? Yeah, no, never mind. I know that barrier's like very low, but it says private property, so there's private property. Ah well. Let's go for a bit of a cruisy up a bit further, eh? Let's see. Another side road, another side road. Side road exploring. That's what we're about. Going down those side roads. Let's go. Oh, 4,000 change. Man, I wish I could rev this thing out. It just wants to. I know it does. It's saying, please rev me out. I want to, but I'm not going to let you, because I can't abuse you. I need this to be a smooth running. So then once you're ready, we'll give you an absolute hiding, eh? Little Continental, little GT. Give you an absolute hiding. Especially with that 2-into-1 on, man. Woo! I'm looking forward to that. Big power gains. I will go full in depth, and I'll try and get the absolute purest sound you guys can get, because I have had a little bit of trouble. Oh my god, dusty dust. A little bit of trouble when I've been watching the videos of people with their tech 2-into-1 exhaust, and they've got the shittest microphone quality I think I've ever heard. So I need to get amongst it and actually get you guys a proper sound of what that thing sounds like as best I can, and you'll have to promise me you'll wear headphones for that video, because if you haven't, Go back and watch one of my videos with the Interceptor with the Lextech exhaust on it, and watch it with headphones. Just be wary of me screaming because I might pop your eardrums, but the actual sound of the bike is so awesome, and it's very comparable to real life if you wear the headphones, which is it's pretty dope. But yeah, no, I'm massively excited to get that air filter in the 2-into-1. It's gonna make this bike look so cool, and I think it sheds something ridiculous off it, like over 10 kilos of it, I think 14 or something. I might be wrong on that, but that's a big weight loss. Like that's been going to Weight Watchers for a good 5 months, but it's only going to take me like an hour. Chuck that on, so that'll be dope. But yeah, no, we just bowling up OWOP. I am so sorry, by the way, about all the same roads all the time. Like, seriously, it's just I never get any time to make videos where I'm actually going out of town. It's been so hard lately. Like, every weekend it's been raining, so I'm just restricted to after work at the moment to make these videos. But I promise you, if you haven't subscribed, do it, because there will be some great videos coming soon and you will not want to miss it. And I'm not big enough where you're going to find me again, so subscribe. But yeah, because otherwise you'll miss out. Like, seriously, there's going to be some lovely people that are going to appear on the channel. The good old mate Rohini's rider, you'll see him on the channel hopefully soon when we do this whole big meetup thing. I see you too, old Julian. We'll need to meet up and have a bit of a blast. Need to get your Baker's Express on the channel. Would love to see that one in person. I always see you driving past me on a few rides. Actually, we get the timing so wrong. You're going the opposite way both times, but that's all good, bro. But yeah, no, I'm really looking forward to meeting some of you guys. Obviously, it's restricted to New Zealand, unfortunately. I wish I could go and meet all the other subscribers around the world, because there's some cool guys. The bro in New Jersey, I see you. If you're in Australia, and yeah, no, I really appreciate you guys' input. So cheers for that. Alright, I'm gonna need to find somewhere to end this video, because it's probably dragged on for a fucking little while. Oops, didn't mean to swear. I noticed that Google buries my videos if I swear in them, so I gotta be careful. Might see if I can attempt to beat that out. Okie dokie. Come on, it's gotta be a spot we can end it. Surely somewhere. Yeah, I think some of you, there's a couple comments and a couple of people hit me up of my I might as well explain it now. It's probably a bit late in the video because a lot of people will probably stop watching by now, but oh well. Me fucking tapping the indicator button like every 5 seconds in a lot of my videos. I've probably done it in this one. I don't notice that I'm doing it until I rewatch the video. I will explain why I do that. So it's a very annoying habit, because it makes it for an eyesore, and once you see it you can't unsee it in my videos. Like, seriously, watch some of them because it's quite funny. If you actually yeah, if you count up how many I've done in one video, I bet it's over 100. But I do that because I almost got into a crash for forgetting to cancel my indicator back when I was on a 50cc moped. I left it on and forgot it was on, and after then I just got into the habit of pressing the button all the time, and it's not actually a good idea, because over the time it's probably going to end up messing the button up if I just keep smashing it. Alright, sweet. We'll end the video here with the same place. So yeah, no, that is why I touched the button. See, I was about to do it just then. What is wrong with me? But yeah, no, cheers for your guys' yarns. Cheers for your guys' yarns in the comments and everything. I need this, the suggestions, the feedback, everything. What you guys would like to see, I would really like that. Look at that, 500Ks on the dot, but I still got to drive back, so it might be like 510. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I think I've mentioned that a few times, but seriously, you're going to be missing out if you haven't. There's going to be some great stuff coming. And yeah, This is Vinny from Road Blast Media.